Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store or iTunes. So guys, if you are facing this issue with your Apple ID, I'm going to show you guys how you can re-enable your account that is disabled in the App Store or iTunes. So let's get start the video. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So to do that guys, make sure that you live in United States, or if you are not living in United States, then you need a VPN. So if you have not VPN in your iPhone, then you can borrow a friend phone and then sign in your Apple ID there, and make sure that you have a VPN. So if you are living in United States or United Kingdom, then you don't need a VPN. So after that guys, you need to select the United States location. So you can select any, then connect the VPN to the United States. Then guys, once the VPN is connected, as you can see, now go to the Safari browser and search here for Apple Sport. Then click on contact right here, as you can see. Then guys, select the Apple ID. Then select other topic. Then here write account disabled. You can select this topic. Then simply continue. Then click on message and it will take to your iMessage. See, now guys, as you can see here, I have already chat. So I'm going to show you what you need to do is, so message them. You can send hi. So as you can see guys, this is the old chat I have done with Apple. So you need to message them and just tell them, hey, I need help with my Apple ID which is disabled. Then you need to send them a screenshot. So as you can see, I have sent them. So you can read the all chats. They have enabled my Apple ID as I have showed you the chat. Then they will enable your Apple ID within a few minutes. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.